miles an hour. 50. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it and feel it. 60. 65. 55. Come back up. 60. 65. Yeah, that's getting worse. That's not getting better. Definitely I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm hoping what it is what it is, because I can't afford to fix things that's not broken, right? Holy moly, this thing is crazy. Barely doing 60 here. I'm about to slow down. Get off this exit. Yeah, this sucks. I gotta fix this. I can't drive with it like this. No way. Alright, wish me luck, guys, because I am gonna do it myself. That's right. For the first time doing this work, I'm gonna do it myself. Oh, I'm not excited, but I'm not excited. So, not excited that I have to do it and that is happening, but I'm kind of excited that I'm gonna do it myself and not rely on someone else to do it. Anyways, here it is.